Welcome to the Zollner Engineering Center, where students study engineering, computer science, cybersecurity, life sciences, and tech. Come with me and I'll show you a few of my favorite labs. In the biomedical lab, we explore anatomy using real cadavers and high-tech tools. Seniors even design medical devices like electronic prosthetics for their capstone projects. The engineering design workshop is where hands-on learning happens, with machining, welding, and fabrication tools ready for creative builds. Our manufacturing automation lab is packed with collaborative robots and automotive systems, perfect for learning how tech drives productivity. The Thermal Sciences lab brings concepts like thermodynamics and fluid mechanics to life through hands-on experiments and data tools. In the Exercise and Sport Performance lab, students practice exercise physiology techniques, things like fitness testing, body composition, and strength assessments. The Cybersecurity Operations lab is a hotspot for our cybersecurity students. Here, they get real-world experience with ethical hacking, cyber competitions, and incident response. The Health Sciences lab helps students apply what they learn in life science courses, preparing them for a wide range of healthcare careers. The recent renovation of the Zollner Engineering Center makes it one of the best places around for engineering and computer science. There's so much cool technology and so many amazing labs to explore. I hope you'll come check it out for yourself. Thanks for joining me on the tour.